Good morning, world. Look at the stunning sunrise over Cape Town in the Western Cape of South Africa. Wow, aren't we privileged to live in this beautiful world? I'm grateful for waking up this morning and seeing this stunning day opening up, making me ready to face whatever it is that will come my way today, with a choice of taking the good, taking the bad, and decisively act on it versus reacting and just having to go with the flow. I am making a difference. I am the one that's changing the way I react by decisively taking action. Look at this. This is just awesome. It's your turn. Wake up, take charge of your day, and act with an outcome that is infinitive to your favor. Hashtag inner universe. Hashtag halalala Africa. Have a good one. Live full out.